This video examines the disconnect between frontier AI research and common boardroom perspectives. We explore why the narrative of AI solely as a labor replacement tool misreads the evidence, offering an alternative, evidence-based playbook for workforce redesign. Executive leadership often operates under the myth that AI equals headcount reduction to expand margins. However, emerging evidence suggests AI is actually a labor-augmenting technology, and the real strategic opportunity lies in workforce redesign and capability building. The replacement myth is fueled by a desire for cost reduction, but it overlooks critical realities. These include the hidden expertise required to govern these systems, and the often uncalculated costs of system maintenance, integration, and quality control. Data contradicts the narrative of large-scale displacement. U.S. labor markets remain strong. Research shows organizations are using AI to augment workflows rather than eliminate roles, and a minority of leaders currently plan to reduce headcount based on AI. It is helpful to distinguish between labor replacing and labor augmenting technologies. While replacing technologies may reduce headcounts by automating isolated tasks, augmenting technologies, like those we see with AI today, require human judgment and increase the demand for skilled labor. Aggressive headcount cuts can trigger a, quote, hire, fire, rehire doom loop. When companies eliminate roles, they often lose the tacit knowledge and domain expertise essential for successful AI deployment, leading to quality degradation and costly remediation efforts. The ROI reality is clear. Projects focused purely on automation often underperform. In contrast, projects that emphasize capability enhancement and value creation demonstrate a significantly higher likelihood of meeting ROI expectations. There is a psychological toll to consider. Vague executive statements about I can foster job insecurity, skill obsolescence fears, and the erosion of leadership pipelines, all of which negatively impact commitment and organizational culture. The architecture of an augmented organization is built on 4 pillars: transparent communication, systemic capability building, operating model evolution, and procedural justice. This framework supports sustainable growth rather than simple reduction. Transparency is foundational. Effective communication includes role-specific guidance, openness regarding AI pilots, and recalibrating the employment contract to focus on complex problem-solving. Microsoft's approach with Copilot serves as an effective case study in successful adoption. Systemic capability building is essential. This involves universal AI literacy for all employees, role-specific training for human-AI collaboration, and targeted development of advanced technical skills, as seen in programs at firms like Amazon, Siemens, and JP Chase. Operating model evolution means rethinking workflows and decision rights. Kaiser Permanente, for example, introduced clinical AI coordinators, a role that uses human judgment to contextualize AI recommendations, thereby improving care quality and preserving their nursing workforce. Procedural justice in transitions is vital for reputation and productivity. Organizations like Unilever and Salesforce have demonstrated that fair processes, including clear rationales, internal mobility, financial support, and alumni networking, help maintain trust during restructuring. The knowledge infrastructure loop ensures that AI systems benefit from human judgment. By capturing human reasoning and processing documentation, organizations can continuously evolve system accuracy, as demonstrated by the work at Bechtel and the Cleveland Clinic. Sustainable AI governance delegates responsibility beyond technical teams to frontline workers. By focusing on transformation rather than reduction, organizations build a sustainable competitive advantage through effective human-AI collaboration.